Hi, I'm Mary Jo Boyd here with another eBite from Attorney Computer Systems. Today's eBite is in Tabs3. Version 19 just came out, and I'm going to show you today how you can reorganize your home screen. So right now I'm looking at MyActions up here on my home screen, and then we've also got an All Actions tab. So All Actions is just going to be the canned, out-of-the-box version of the groups that they've come up with. We've got people and everything underneath here for people. If I click on that, I'll see those icons that have to do with people and so on. And same thing with each one of these. So these groups are, again, just what they've created as a version that they're going to have released. But if I want to change that on my Actions tab, we can go ahead and organize and add a group that we want. So maybe there's a group of reports that you do every single day or month or whatever, and you want to group those together. Or there's certain functions that you always do that might be a variety of things, but you want to put them all under one group. So to do that, we have a little tool wheel or little cog up here. So we're going to go ahead and click on that. And if we scroll to the bottom of the screen, we have a big plus sign here that says Add Group. So all we have to do is go ahead and add that. I'm going to put this as a test group. You would name this whatever you want and give it a description. And I'm just going to say that it's test icons, and you can even give it a color. So I'm going to give mine a purple color. Say next, and now I can add all of the different actions that I want to have in my group. So if I want to, I'm going to scroll down just a little bit here. Let's say that, let me get to some reports. Let's say that I do, I go into cost entry a lot. Maybe I do email statements a lot. So I'm going to double click that. And I'm going to do data file integrity check. You will pick and choose anything that you do into the specific group that you want and add them to the columns on the right. Once you have those all added, then we're just going to say finish. And now I've got my little test group down here. If I scroll down a little bit more, you can see it. And that's my little test icons. If I finish, I have to hit my finish up here to save all my changes here. Once I finish, there's my test group. If I click on it, there are just the icons that I want that are in my group that I've created. Now you can create many groups if you want to, and you can put those different actions in there. So maybe you'll have a report group that's specific for you, and maybe you'll have, just the daily actions that you do, whatever works for you. It's very customizable so that you can make your screen look like what you want. Now, one last thing that you can do is I can also move this group up to the top if I'd like. So you can drag it up and you can move the group. It's not letting me move it at the moment, but you can move that group. Oh, I have to be in the test mode. That would help. Or in the, oh my God. Can I go back to a certain spot? I'm trying to think if I can go back. All right.
You could probably just start.
I'm going to start
when you were going to move it.
right when I'm going to move it. Yeah. So I'm going to go back. So Brad, I'm really going to just cut this back to when you can actually move it. So one last thing that you can do is you can actually move the group. And so I'm going to click on my little wheel there again, and I'm going to drag the group up to the top. And then I'm going to set that right at the beginning. So now I've got my test group right at the top of my window, and I don't have to go through all these icons to get to it. It's right there at the top. So I'm going to go ahead and finish, and now my group is right there. I hope this eBite's been helpful for you. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to give me a call or visit. Oh my God, I can't even talk today. I came to the ending. Ugh. Okay. I hope this eBite's been helpful for you. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to visit our website or give us a call. Thanks.